Hi everybody, Don here again. It's been a while since I put on a video of some of my hauls, so I just want to put on some things to show you I'm still alive and I'm still doing videos, but just not as much as I used to. But I figure I'd show you some stuff I picked up on. My best deal is this old vintage fan. It's a Gilbert fan. It's chrome. And wire cage is chrome. Everything is all metal. Not sure of the edge. It's got a nice look to it. I saw some fans in the past and they go for big money depending on the ones you get. The older ones with the brass blades are highly desirable. Yeah, unless you get something that's unusual. Like this fan here is unusual. You don't see too many of these too often. Not the chrome plated ones. But I'll show you, the cord is not in great shape, but that can always be replaced. And it's an adjustable fan. I'm not sure what. I just know it goes back and forth on its own. It's got a tilt. And another cast iron mailbox. I got it for 15. And by the way, I got that fan for, it was $20. I'm sure I can double my money on that. And another antique crank hand phone. I got one of these before in the past and sold it, so I know they sell pretty good. I got that for 10 and it's got a hand crank on it, so yeah, the last one I sold was 35, 40, can't remember. And there's a lot of other stuff I bypass because I'm just more or less into the older stuff. And something, unless it's unusual, like this Journey LP. Journey Escape 4P3. Usually I don't buy records, but unless they're rare, and you know, I know the rarity of it. But this one here I got because it's sealed, never been opened. And usually by collectors those are more desirable. I'm trying to figure out what the date was on here, but I can't remember. 1981 I think it was, yeah. It's over 20 years old. It's still sealed. Not bad. Okay. I just thought I'd show you this video, and thanks for watching, guys.